Hello everybody, myself V. Narayana Babu, lecturer in Mathematics, GSI PU College, Mysore. In the last session, we have discussed about multiplication of matrices. In this session also, we shall discuss about problems on multiplication of matrices. So, next problem, if A equals 1, 2, 3, 4 and A plus 2B equals A square, find B. Solution. So, first we shall find A square. So, A square is equal to A into A. So, that will be equal to, so A matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4 into 1, 2, 3, 4. So, here the rule is row into column. So, these two matrices are of the same order, that is 2 into 2, which is a square matrix. The product matrix A square will also be of the same order, that is 2 into 2. You know that the rule is row into column. So, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3. Next, first row into second column, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4. Next element is second row into first column, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 3. Next element is second row into second column, 3 into 2 plus 4 into 4. So, that will be equal to 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 3, 6, 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 4, 8. So, 3 into 1, 3 plus 4 into 3, 12. So, 3 into 2, 6 plus 4 into 4, 16. So, that will be equal to, so 1 plus 6, 7, 2 plus 8, 10, 3 plus 12, 15, 6 plus 16, 22. So, this is nothing but the matrix A square. So, the given condition is A plus 2B will be equal to A square. So, 2B will be equal to A square minus A. So, that is 2B will be equal to A square. A square matrix is 7, 10, 15, 22 minus A. So, A matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 2B will be equal to, we subtract the corresponding elements of the matrices. So, 7 minus 1, 10 minus 2, 15 minus 3, 22 minus 4. So, 2B will be equal to 7 minus 1, 6, 10 minus 2, 8, 15 minus 3, 12, 22 minus 4, 18. So, this is B. This is 2B. We want B. B equals half into 6, 8, 12, 18. So, this is scalar multiplication of a matrix. So, B equals half into 6, half into 8, half into 12, half into 18. So, B equals half into 6 is 3, half into 8 is 4, half into 12 is 6, half into 18 is 9. So this is the required matrix B. So that completes this problem. If A equals A, B, C, D and I equals 1, 0, 0, 1, show that A square minus of A plus D into A minus BC minus AD into I is a null matrix. Solution. Consider A square is equal to A into A. So that will be equal to A, B, C, D into A, B, C, D. So the rule is row into column. That will be equal to A into A square plus B into C, BC. Next is first row into second column, A into B plus B into D. Next element is second row into first column, C into A, AC plus D into C, CD. Next, second row into second column, C into B, BC plus D into D, D square. So this is the matrix A square. Consider A square minus of A plus D into A minus BC minus AD into I. So that will be equal to, so A square matrix is this one. You have to write A square plus BC, AB plus BD, AC plus CD, BC plus D square minus of A plus D into A matrix. So A matrix is ABCD, ABCD minus of BC minus AD into I. I is the identity matrix, that is 1, 0, 0, 1. So this will be equal to A square plus BC, AB plus BD, AC plus CD, BC plus D square minus, we multiply the whole matrix, that is the elements of this whole matrix, by A plus D. So what we have, A into A plus D. It is a scalar multiplication of a matrix. So A into A plus D, B into A plus D, C into A plus D, D into A plus D minus, we multiply this identity matrix, that is the elements of this identity matrix, by BC minus AD. So we have BC minus AD into 1 is BC minus AD, BC minus AD into 0, 0, BC minus AD into 0, 0, BC minus AD into 1, that is BC minus AD. This is also the scalar multiplication of a matrix. So this will be equal to A square plus BC, AB plus BD, AC plus CD, BC plus D square minus, so you multiply A to A plus D. So A into A square plus A into D, AD. Similarly here also B into A, AB, B into D, BD, C into A, AC plus C into D, CD. Next here D into A, AD plus D into D, D square minus of BC minus AD 0, 0, BC minus AD. This will be equal to, now let us subtract the corresponding elements, that is A square plus BC minus A square, so minus into plus minus AD minus into BC minus BC minus into minus plus AD. So here we have subtracted the corresponding elements. Next element AB plus BD minus AB minus into plus minus BD minus 0. So next row AC plus CD minus AC minus CD minus 0. Next element BC plus D square minus AD minus D square minus into BC minus BC minus into minus plus AD. So here A square and A square will get cancelled, BC minus BC will get cancelled, minus AD plus AD will get cancelled. So that will be equal to 0. AB minus AB, BD minus BD, so that also becomes 0. AC minus AC, CD minus CD, 0. BC minus BC minus AD plus AD, D square minus D square will get cancelled, that will be also equal to 0. So this is nothing but O, that is the null matrix, which is the required result. If problem number 19, if A equals 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Prove that A square minus 4A minus 5I is a null matrix of order 3 into 3. Consider A square is equal to A into A. So that will be equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 into 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. That will be equal to, so here row into column. So that will be equal to first row into first column. So 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 into 2, 4. First row into second column, 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 into 2, 4. Next element is first row into third column. 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 into 1, 2. Next element is second row into first column. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 2, 4. So next element is second row into second column. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 2, 4. Next second row into third column. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 1, 2. Next element is third row into first column. 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 2, 2. Next element is third row into second column. 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into 2, 2. Next element is third row into third column. So 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 1, 1. A square is equal to 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. So A square will be equal to 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9. Consider A square minus 4A minus 5I. A square minus 4A minus 5I. That will be equal to, so A square is 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9 minus 4 into A. So A matrix is 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 minus 5 into I, that is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So that will be equal to 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9 minus, we multiply all the elements of this matrix by 4. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4 minus, we multiply all the elements of this matrix by 5. So 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 1, 5. So that will be equal to, now we subtract the corresponding elements. So 9 minus 4 minus 5. 8 minus 8 minus 0. Next element 8 minus 8 minus 0. Next row 8 minus 8 minus 0. Next element is 9 minus 4 minus 5. And next element is 8 minus 8 minus 0. Next element is 8 minus 8 minus 0. Next element is 8 minus 8 minus 0. The last element is 9 minus 4 minus 5. So that will be equal to, so 9 minus 4, 5, 5 minus 5, 0, 8 minus 8, 0, 8 minus 8, 0, 8 minus 8, 0, 9 minus 4, 5, 5 minus 5, 0, 8 minus 8, 0, 8 minus 8, 0, 8 minus 8, 0, 9 minus 4, 5, 5 minus 5, 0. That will be equal to null matrix. Hence, the required result we have proved. Thank you.